Hey everybody, it's Bobby here on the Paula Deen channel on YouTube. Thanks for tuning in with us. I've got a really, Teresa and I have a really great recipe here for you. This is a perfect for a pool party or a really hot sunny July afternoon at your house. We put something together that we're gonna have out by the pool a little bit later on for the kids when they wake up from their nap. And this is an ice cream sundae pizza. It sounds decadent, and it is really decadent. This is totally for fun, and probably not every day, but the kids will love it, and you'll love it too. And you'll see here in just a minute that this is not gonna be a lot of action on my part. Teresa has done a lot of the prep work for me because you needed a few hours to do it, and I'll explain that. What we started with a big round pizza-shaped bacon dish, and we took one box of just standard brownie mix off your grocery store shelf, and we made it exactly how they tell you to make it, and we put it in the baking pan, and we baked it off for I would check it at maybe 15 or 20 minutes because let's just look at it.
That's actually, Bobby, a deep dish pizza pan.
This is a deep dish pizza pan, and so you can imagine one box of brownie mix is going to spread really, really thin in there. So you don't burn it. You'd want to check it in about 15 minutes. I'd put it in the oven for 350. That's what Teresa did. And we've got some Bluebell ice cream. That is my mom's favorite. I think that she says that to you all the time, how much she likes Bluebell ice cream. And all the grandkids in the family, everybody goes wild for that when Mom serves it at her house. So we've got the brownie mix in the pan. This is a deep dish pizza pan. And baked it, and we let the ice cream soften on the counter, and we let the brownie mix cool after we baked it in the oven. This was Teresa did all this a long time ago because I didn't have that kind of time. So now this thing is frozen solid sitting here on my counter. And where the ice cream comes in, if I didn't already say it, is we let it sit on the counter and soften, and then we spread a half gallon of Bluebell ice cream all over the top of that brownie.
Bobby, we just did another one. We've done a lot of ice cream this summer.
This is gonna taste so good. If you look to my left over here, you'll see that we have Hershey's Caramel, and we have Hershey's Hot Fudge Sundae, and we have maraschino cherries, and we have heavy whipped cream. And for the health nut in you, we've got some almonds, some chopped almonds here. This is gonna be so good. But
those are chopped peanuts.
Chopped peanuts, I'm sorry. This is gonna be so good, but it's gonna be so fattening and delicious. So, happy summer. All right, well, our pizza is put together. So let's go ahead and cut a piece. What do you think, Teresa? Should I try to cut one piece, or should I go ahead and cut the thing?
I would go down the middle.
Yeah, let's go all the way. Oh, that's cutting perfectly too. That's like the consistency of a really, really cold cheesecake is what that feels like.
And it does take, just so you know, it takes about 4 hours. And it tells you that you can cut it anywhere from 2 hours to 2 days. And you can leave it in the freezer before you serve it.
Yeah, 2 days. I think I might push the limits and go to 2 days on this thing. Yeah, let it just be a nice frozen piece of, what do you think? Oh, look at those big delicious pieces of ice cream sundae pizza. Those are pretty generous portions. I may have to do an extra cut.
Well, the nice thing about this too is you can do a piece at a time.
Yeah.
And then that way it can last for a couple of days.
The middle
just what we need in our refrigerators or freezers.
Look, you're kidding yourself, and you're lying to everybody if you say that this is going to last for a couple of days, because it ain't.
Well, not with your triplets.
Judge all you want, but this is going to be so delicious. So.
Here we go.
Yeah, these are so big.
It's okay.
These are
Your mom would be proud of us.
Oh, my mom would be very proud of this. Yes. Okay.
You're good.
Yeah, well.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's completely cut, but my spatula is going to tear it up a little bit down here on the end. So in an effort to not do that, let me double spatula. See if I can keep from tearing it up. Not that it matters because it's going to get torn up anyway. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let me go in and show them so they can see
at
that.
that.
Can
All
you
right,
pick that up just a little bit? Because it's kind of hard to see the chocolate. But
That brownie's thin on the bottom.
it is thin.
Let's see if we can see it maybe a little better inside the deep dish pizza pan.
Well, now one of the things that everybody knows with the economy as it is, the brownie mixes are smaller than they used to be.
Yeah.
But you still can use the same.
Sorry.
You can still use the same brownie size. It's just going to be a little thinner than what the 21 ounce would have done.
And that's why we talked about it earlier. You don't want to bake this in the oven too long at 350 because it would definitely burn after maybe more than about 15 or 20 minutes. All right, so I'm going to pop the rest of our pizza.
Yeah, you have to move quick with this.
Huh?
You have to move quick with this recipe.
Yeah, you do, or else it's going to melt on you. Okay, let's do a little caramel.
Good catch.
A little bit of hot fudge sundae. Yeah, I'm a cat. A little bit of hot fudge sundae. Oh boy. That would be good to go just like that.
Uh-huh.
That looks really, really
But you're going to keep going.
pretty. But I'm going to keep going.
And that is real whipped cream.
That is real whipped cream. And my mom would say that that is not enough. And right on top of that, maraschino cherry. Is your cherry on top. And look how good that looks. Ice cream sundae pizza. So that is one brownie mix in the box, and you make it just exactly like they tell you to do it. We used a deep dish pizza pan. Spread the brownie mix in there really thin all across the bottom. We softened a tub of Bluebell ice cream and spread it all over the top of the brownie mix after it came out of the oven and cooled a little bit. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? And then we added to that some Hershey's caramel and some hot fudge topping and a little bit of chopped peanuts and a maraschino cherry with some heavy whipped cream. So this is definitely one of those treats for you and your family. And I'm going to take one for the team and let you know whether or not it is any good.
You're trying to act like you want the whole piece and you can't have the whole piece.
That is amazing and delicious in every way. So,
see, Bobby, this is why it doesn't pay to be healthy.
Well, happy summer, everybody. Sometimes you gotta have fun in life.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.